back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry tres leches pudding that I know you guys are going to love, or as I call it, the Barbie rice pudding, pink and strawberry flavor. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This creamy and delicious Barbie strawberry rice pudding, these are the ingredients. I have strawberry extract, color and flavor, regular milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, 1 cup of rice, and 1 cinnamon stick. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious strawberry rice pudding. So let's get started. To prepare this delicious rice pudding, look at this. We're gonna cook the water with the cinnamon stick for about 5 minutes. When the water is infused with the cinnamon stick, then we're going to add 1 cup of rice. We are going to cook it in medium heat. This part is very important. You always cook your rice pudding with medium heat. And then don't move it too much. Don't mix it too much. Just one mix. Incorporate the rice really good. After about 10 minutes, start warming up 1 liter of cold milk. You want it nice and hot in order to add it into your rice. The reason that I'm showing you all these steps is because you want to enjoy a creamy, fluffy, and delicious rice pudding. I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick, and if there's any pieces of cinnamon stick, I am going to remove it very carefully. Before I add the milk, I am going to add the strawberry extract, flavor, and color. I am doing it before I add the milk because if you add the milk and then add the strawberry extract, the rice is not going to get that beautiful pink color. So here I'm just going to incorporate the strawberry extract really good. And here's a little piece of cinnamon. I'm going to remove it. I want to make sure that I get all those pieces of the cinnamon stick. Remove it. I'm going to mix it well, especially from the bottom, because I don't want my rice pudding to stick on the bottom of the pan. So here I am just going to incorporate it really good. The color looks amazing. The aroma of the strawberry extract, just perfect. Here I'm adding the hot milk. Once you add your hot milk, be careful. Mix it, just incorporate it, and then let it cook slowly in medium heat. Once in a while, come and mix it all the way from the bottom so it's not sticking or getting burned in the bottom of your pan. But once it's incorporated, don't mix it too much. Just come, mix it once, cook it in medium heat. You could start seeing that after a couple minutes, you're going to see that it's going to start boiling. Every time you add anything else to this pudding, the temperature goes down. It's okay, it's normal. But once you start getting that film right on the top, you know that this rice pudding is going to come out nice and creamy. Take your time when you make your rice pudding. Here I am ready. It is boiling and I am ready to add the evaporated milk. This is step by step because I want you to enjoy a creamy and delicious strawberry rice pudding. Look at this. It's nice and boiling. I'm going to add 1 can of evaporated milk. The temperature went down. That's okay. We're going to incorporate the evaporated milk and then just continue cooking. It's going to take time, but believe me, at the end, it's going to be so worth it. Once it's boiling again, Just like that, you're going to start adding your condensed milk. Of course, the temperature is going to drop. That's okay. Just make sure that your rice is not sticking on the bottom of your pan. And now this is the best time to add your condensed milk, and you could already see the film getting nice and thicker on the top. Once you add your condensed milk, incorporate it really good, because here in this household we do not leave anything behind of the condensed milk. So here I am going to continue cooking it until it's boiling again and it starts making that film on the top. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how thick and how creamy it becomes. Once it's boiling like this, boiling from the center and out, then you are ready to turn off your stove. Do not cover it, just turn off your stove. Let it come almost to room temperature before you enjoy it, because it's really hot and it's going to stay hot for maybe a couple of hours. So here, do not cover it, turn off the stove, and after like 35 minutes, look at the film that created right on the top. Look how thick, look how creamy. And of course, that film on the top tastes amazing. Look at this. Nice and creamy, nice and fluffy. And of course, I am ready to prepare my cup and enjoy it with my beautiful family. It's nice and cold outside. It's kind of raining. And this is the best part. Enjoying a delicious strawberry rice pudding at home, made with lots of love. And I'm sure you're going to love it. If you came up to all the way to this part of the video and you like and you love, please subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and share this video on social media. I am ready to taste it, so I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing Barbie rice pudding. It's creamy. The flavor, I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Of strawberry rice pudding. This is the part I love and enjoy, and I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. It's so cold outside, and here in my home, I'm nice and cozy. Excuse me. The rice is really fluffy. The flavor of the strawberry, just amazing. No need to enjoy anything else in a cold, rainy day. You need to enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys for winter. I wish you guys make it, and I wish you guys were here. Just perfection made at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing strawberry rice pudding, or as I call it, the Barbie rice pudding. See you soon. Bye-bye.